Okay. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to
Hi, Daddy.
dream. Hi.
It's Matthew's.
Yes, it's Matthew's roller. It's a nice one. It's blue, isn't it? Is it blue? Is that a blue roller?
This one. This.
Is it Daddy's? Give me come back here, you.
I'm not here.
Come back here, you.
Matija, ajde pjevaj drugu pjesmicu. Koju pjesmicu znaš još?
I have an idea. I have a question for you, Matthew.
Wanna sing up.
Okay, I want to ask you a different question. Did you go to the zoo?
Yeah.
What did you see at the zoo?
Let's see the bear.
Ooh, you saw the bear?
I šta još?
The alligator.
The alligator? I didn't know they had an alligator there.
This a fox.
A fox? Did you see a fox at the zoo?
I šta još?
This one go up there.
Šta si još vidio?
The blue bird.
What's the blue bird's name?
Cause it's a macaw.
Oh, a macaw. That's right. Good boy.
I šta još si vidio?
What's that animal that climbs way up in the sky?
It's a monkey up in the sky.
Wow.
I šta još si vidio?
Let's see the bird.
Da, kakvu pticu? Kakvu pticu si vidio?
The curse and that is it's a nice bird.
Nice bird. A koja je to lijepa ptica bila? Flamingo?
Flingo.
Flingo!
Oh.
No. To nećemo. Matija.
Is that for Daddy?
To je tatino,
Yeah,
da.
thank you. May I have it?
This one,
Will you give it to me, please?
there, Daddy.
Thank you.
Ok. Matija, hoćeš piti još sok?
No.
No? Nisi žedan više?
Say cheese.
Say cheese!
Who are you gonna call?
What's that? It's Mommy.
Yeah, it's Mommy on the phone, isn't it?
Okay.
Hey, Matthew. How do you sing the railroad?
The one. What's that?
It's garlic.
Got it.
Yeah. You should put it right there.
The one this.
That's right. But we don't want to do that right now. Can you put the knife down?
Don't touch that.
Put the knife down, please.
There.
Hvala.
Thank you.
What's that?
I just told you, it's garlic.
Garlic.
Yeah.
Hoćeš probati, Matija?
Okay.
Ajde, probaj. Ha? Nije dobro.
No, it's not very good, is it?
The osuduku.
Drugi? Je drugi bolji? Ha?
Popeye.
Probaj. Ha? Nije dobro.
Do you want to put it back?
Dobro. Stavi natrag.
Okay.
Ok. Taj? Je taj dobar? A? Ha?
You go eat it.
Pojesti ćeš?
Okay.
A probaj. Ne tak. Uh-oh. To je easy. Easy hot chip. Garlic. Okay. Okay, I think it's time for him to get down now. Okay, this is Matthew's pumpkin. Halloween pumpkin. Ima 3 oka.